Diane in Denmark here. It is Saturday morning and I'm in the bedroom. This has been the zone that we've been working in this week, or at least the zone that I've been working in this week for our 40-day challenge. And I'm also in here because it's the weekend and as you know, I never film the family, but if you hear noises of it's the Tweet and Sparky, the lovebirds, or it's probably my DS18 unloading the dishwasher. So anyway, I just wanted to bring you another update of what I have been flinging this week. As I've explained before, I'm not posting a video every day on YouTube because it's just too time consuming, but I have been posting a video every day on Instagram, a 1-minute video of what I have been flinging in the zone, and you've seen me in this, if you follow me on Instagram, you will see this week there has been jewellery and belts and underwear and books and all sorts of things leaving this zone, which was zone 4, the master bedroom. Next week I'm going to be moving on to the next Flylady zone, which is the living room. It's zone 5, which is the living room, the den, wherever your family gathers. And you might want to think ahead. Perhaps you've got DVDs that you're or VHS tapes I've seen going out. VHS tapes, books that you're not going to read. I'm already thinking about some reference books that we have that, you know, most of the information now can be found online. So we're going to be letting go of some of those. Anyway, just a quick recap that you're going to see the last 7 days, starting with when I was in Edinburgh last weekend. And the idea of our 40-day challenge, we're not doing the kind of 30 bags in 30 days or 40 bags in 40 days. We have this challenge because we are just looking at throwing one item every day, just one. If you can find more than that, that is great. And I'm trying to just post one item because I know that it's overwhelming when you see people throwing out, you know, everything but the kitchen sink. So just go slowly here. And I know a lot of you have really enjoyed not having the pressure on, even on days where you have had the blahs, or you know, you're just not feeling it. You have been able to let go of one thing, even if it was just an envelope or a tube of cream that had kind of dried up. So just be good to yourselves. Do not push yourself too hard, because often, you know, when we set the bar too high, as I've said before, we run up to the bar and we think, oh yeah, we're going to do this, and then we think, oh no, hold on, this is all too much, and then we just throw in the towel. That's why we're just going for the one item a day. But I know a lot of you have been seeing success with this because you're being consistent with it, and consistency is perhaps a new thing for you. You know, we've all got the Flylady routines that we want to do consistently, and sometimes we're not so consistent. But you're seeing consistency with this, and this is what I want for you. I want to see the consistency and how much the consistency helps just by doing a tiny little bit, how much it all adds up. It all adds up to less clutter in our house and a lot less clutter in our heads. Anyway, I can hear the birds are screaming for attention, but my morning routine is done. I'm off to enjoy the day with the family. I've got my outfit ready for tomorrow. You will see that on Instagram. Remember, if you want to join us on Instagram, just look for the hashtag Diane in Denmark. You don't have to have an Instagram account to see what we are up to, but it's really good fun to see what the others are decluttering. And it's very inspiring. I mean, a lot of you have been very creative with repurposing the items that you're decluttering. And it all counts, even if it's expired food from the pantry, science projects from the fridge. Also, one of the ladies, she had a picture frame, just, you know, lying collecting dust, and she printed out or found a picture and has now got the picture up and hung on the wall. That is great. It all counts because we have decluttered our procrastination. So think about it that way as well. You're not just decluttering stuff, you're also getting some action in there. Anyway, I'm not going to talk any longer because I said I've got things to do with the family. But what you're about to see is is the last 7 days of what I have decluttered. Let me know in the comments how you are doing with your 40-day challenge. And we are on to the home straight. Next time you see this video, we'll probably be finished. Okay, anyway, live long and prosper. May the Danish Yoga be with you, and let's roll those videos. See you very soon. Right, day 28 of our challenge. I'm actually just heading on the tram out to Edinburgh Airport. I've just said goodbye to Mum and the family. That's Edinburgh Castle behind me. National Galleries, I'll just do a quick 360 for you. Up the Mound, Scott Monument, Walter Scott, and the shops on Princess Street. I've got nothing to declutter today. Look at that, because I've decluttered it all at once. Oh, hold on, there's a tram going behind me. But let me know what you are decluttering for a 40-day challenge. Hashtag Diane Denmark or comment down below. Maybe you're decluttering some scarves if you're not needing them. We've had more snow today. It's funny, it's like being back in Copenhagen. Anyway, I need to get on the tram and I shall see you tomorrow for day 29. Okay, see you soon. Day 29, I'm back in Copenhagen and we are back in zone 4, which is master bedroom, the wardrobe, ensuite bathroom if you have one of those. I was putting away clothes during morning routine and I spotted this one in my wardrobe. Now it's a kind of baggy blue jumper and I have a nicer fitted blue jumper. Baggy doesn't look good on me. So that's going to the clothes swap party. I've got a bag which is going to the clothes swap party and I keep it in the bottom of my wardrobe and I just toss things in there as I go along. Like I've got the item from the other day from zone 3. So that's my stuff for the clothes swap party. And bonus item, when I was unloading the dishwasher, I spotted this in the drawer. A wee Scotty dog cup, which is my daughter's. I'm guessing she doesn't want to keep it anymore. I'll check with her and this will be going to the charity shop. Anyway, hashtag Diane in Denmark if you can post a picture. Otherwise, comment down below and keep going because we are almost 3/4 of the way there. Okay, see you very soon. Day 30 of our 40-day challenge. We are 3/4 of the way there. Anyway, I'm still working in the zone, which is zone 4, master bedroom. I've got my outfit ready for today. This is my item. It was a dress that wasn't working for me. Took it to the clothes swap party. Somebody else took it, wore it, and then it came back to the clothes swap party and I took it, but it really doesn't work for me. So back it goes to the clothes swap party. Perhaps you are decluttering some jewellery. Maybe you've got some perfume or lotions and potions that you're not using. What about, you're beside your bed, you have some books that you thought you were going to read and you're not going to read them. Anyway, if you can post a picture, hashtag Diane in Denmark. Otherwise, comment down below. And listen, we are 3/4 of the way there, so we are on to the home stretch. Anyway, have fun decluttering and I'll see you very soon. Yay, day 31 of our challenge. I'm in my wardrobe and I have found a couple of things that I'm going to be handing on to the clothes swap party. Remember, I keep a bag here in my wardrobe, so if there's any items that I don't like anymore, that I'm not wearing or using, or cosmetic stuff like that, either goes in a bag for the charity shop or the clothes swap party. Anyway, these two are for the clothes swap party. An old junk necklace, junk jewellery. I don't even know where that came from. Could have been my granny's, but it's not the kind of thing that I will ever wear, so that's going out to clothes swap party. And also a bracelet that I'm not using and I'm not going to see me using anytime soon. Anyway, if you can post a picture, that would be great. Hashtag Diane in Denmark. Otherwise, just comment down below. And remember, we are on the home straight here. Day 31 out of 40 and we're just looking for one item. Remember, anything else will just be a bonus. Okay, see you very soon. Right, day 32, I'm still working in my wardrobe. This is where I keep my belts and these over the door hanger things. I've got 3 belts here. I think they came free with, like a dress or a jacket. I don't need to hold on to them just because they were free. I'm going to keep the best one and the other 2 are going to the next clothes swap party. Remember, I've got a bag here in my wardrobe so I can just pop the things into the bags that are all ready to go. Incidentally, that's where I got my today's jacket. That was also clothes swap party find. And I've got a bonus item, just hold on. And these are from my daughter, a couple of perfumes and an EOS lip gloss. Those are also going to the close swap party. Anyway, let me know what you are flinging or handing on to somebody else. Hashtag Diane in Denmark, post a picture, that would be fantastic. But otherwise, just keep going. Remember, just one item. If you can find more than one, that is a bonus, but we're just looking for one a day to begin with and be consistent with it. Okay, see. Day 33 of our challenge. I've just been going through the things in my nightstand. You know, we've got these roll-away ones from IKEA. See, woo, go like that. No, it's all out of sight, out of mind. Anyway, I pulled out, you know, this little basket that I have of my nail varnishes. And also beside that, I keep, hold on, here it is. It's a book that my daughter had on kind of nail art. And you know what, we're not going to be doing that anytime soon. And if we do, we can go into YouTube or we can go into Pinterest and find ideas there. So that's going to be a giveaway item for me. Maybe, as I said, you've got some nail varnishes that you don't like or don't use. Maybe you can hand them on to a friend, or maybe they've just kind of, perhaps they've maybe got dried up and just need to go in the recycling. Anyway, hashtag Diane in Denmark. Let me know what you are flinging or handing on or recycling today. And just keep going. We are on day 33. Go us! Day 34. Who thought we would still be going on day 34 of the 40-day challenge? Go us. Anyway, I'm still working by zone, and I've just been finishing my morning routine. I was putting away my clean laundry, and I noticed a couple of things that I am decluttering today. So my items, I've got a pair of socks that are really annoying. They keep on falling down. So those are going to be used as little dusting mitts for one last time before they are tossed. And the other thing is a couple of vests. You know, I always wear vests underneath my tops to keep my tummy warm. And these are ones that I keep on avoiding because I don't like the colour or they don't quite fit. So those are going to the next clothes swap party. Where, incidentally, this is where I got this top at last clothes swap party. Anyway, hashtag Diane in Denmark if you could post a picture, otherwise comment down below. And just keep going out there. Day 34. Go us, go us, go us. Where are those pom-poms when you need them?